Oh, yeah, I like that too. Let's get that. And how about this?
I don't really like it.
How about this one?
I really don't like that. I'd rather the sheep.
What, she doesn't either?
Yes. How about this?
She does.
No. Well, how about that?
Yeah, nobody likes that. Hal ini kebanyakan tidak terlalu sulit. Kita biasanya hanya menjawab pertanyaan ketika kita menyetujui orang lain dengan so do I, atau me too, atau same here. Oh, yeah, I like that too. Let's get that. And namun, setuju dalam bentuk negatif ini lebih sulit. Kita harus menggunakan kata itu either, neither, atau juga bisa nor. I don't like it. Neither does she. Nor does she. She doesn't either. I can't swim. Neither can I. Nor can I. I can't either. I'm not sure. Neither is he. Nor is he. He isn't either.
Like that, and neither does she.
What? She doesn't either?
Yes.
The man in the video becomes confused when the woman answers his negative question with a positive. Yes, setuju, tetapi biasanya kita menggunakan negatif setelah kalimat negatif untuk menyatakan persetujuan negatif. Inilah laki-laki bingung apakah gadis kedua benar-benar suka itu atau tidak. What, she doesn't either?
Yes. How about this?
She does.
No.
In the video, we see two different ways of asking another person's opinion about something. What do you think of? Atau how about? Pertanyaan dua ini mengikuti dengan kata pada atau gerund verb ing. Contohnya, how about getting this? What do you think of having a game? Kesalahan umum adalah mengatakan, how do you think about? Notice in the video the difference between I don't really like and I really don't like. I don't really like is a polite form of saying you don't like something. But when we switch the words, we get an opposite meaning. I really don't like emphasizes that you don't like something. Oh, yeah, I like that too. Let's get that. And how about this?
I don't really like it.
How about this one?
I really don't like that. I'd rather the sheep.
What, she doesn't either?
Yes. How about this?
She does.
No. Well, how about that?
Yeah, nobody likes that.
Not yet. You wait.
What, she doesn't either?
Yes. No.
Anytime you're ready.
The doors to bed may be slippery. Please be